Hi guys, to those who are new, welcome back to my channel, and for those who are old subscriber, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you a video of an item that I bought in Shein. You can see here it is a vanity mirror. It has been in my cart for like almost a month. I chose this one because of the reviews, and also, as you can see later, there's a lot of shelves that I can use also for storage. So I'm gonna show you how we assembled it. There's also a lot of options in Amazon, but the one in Shein is a lot cheaper. We assembled this for 3.5 hours. Imagine that. It's not just me, so my husband helped me to assemble everything. There's a manual that's included, but it's still hard because to like screw everything. We didn't have any trouble in connecting every piece because everything is very accurate. As you can see, these are the shelves, the mirror. There's a lot of drawers that you can put your makeup or skincare products, jewelries, your medications. There's a lot of things that you can put on this. And there it is. That's my vanity mirror, and this is also the one that I'm using right now. As you can see, the lights are so good. Though there are no options for the light colors, there's only one, which is the one that you can see right now. And for the link, I'm gonna put the link below so you can check. Thank you for watching. Bye!